Welcome to Life Insurance Benefits presented by Human Resources. Ohio State is proud to provide access to high quality benefits that can help support your health and financial goals as part of the total rewards available to faculty and staff. Ohio State offers a variety of life insurance options to protect faculty and staff, their spouses, and their dependents. Ohio State life insurance coverage is underwritten by Minnesota Life Insurance Company, a Securian financial affiliate group. Securian is the parent company to Minnesota Life. Let's get started and review the group term life insurance benefit. As an eligible Ohio State employee, you are automatically enrolled to receive university paid life insurance coverage based on your annual base salary. Group term life insurance provides coverage in the amount of 2.5 times your annual regular base pay, to a maximum of $250,000, subject to the age reduction formula. Ohio State pays the full cost of this benefit. There are additional benefits included within the group term life insurance policy. In the event of death due to an accident, this benefit provides an additional 2.5 times your annual base pay with a maximum of $250,000. In the event of a terminal illness diagnosis with a life expectancy of 12 months or less, this benefit provides an early payment of up to 100% of the life insurance amount. In the event of an accidental dismemberment, the benefit amount will be based on the loss. The group term life insurance benefit for employee and spousal coverage is subject to an age reduction in accordance to the following table. Age reduction will apply during the pay period containing the covered individual's applicable birthday. Eligible employees must designate beneficiaries. Go to Workday and click Change Beneficiaries under Benefits to change your designated beneficiaries at any time. Ohio State pays the full cost of the group term life insurance benefit. However, the value of coverage above $50,000 is subject to applicable tax withholdings. As a result, employees will have the option to waive the entire university-paid group term life insurance coverage by completing a notarized waiver of insurance. If coverage is waived, employees later wishing to re-enroll in group term life insurance coverage will be subject to an evidence of insurability. Consult your tax advisor or the IRS for additional information about the taxability of life insurance benefits. Now let's take a look at the voluntary group term life insurance options. Employee Voluntary Group Term Life Insurance, VGTLI, offers coverage options between 1 and 8 times your annual salary to a maximum of $1 million. This coverage is in addition to the amount provided by the university under the group term life insurance benefit. As a newly eligible employee, you may elect the guaranteed issue amount of 3 times your annual base salary, not to exceed $500,000 without an evidence of insurability, EOI. You may request coverage up to the maximum amount, but any amount over the guaranteed issue of $500,000 is subject to EOI. Beneficiary designation under voluntary group term life insurance coverage is the same as the group term life insurance coverage. Rates and specific plan information can be found on the HR website at hr.osu.edu. Spouse voluntary group term life insurance offers coverage options between $25,000 and $300,000 with a guaranteed issue amount of $50,000. You may request coverage up to the maximum amount, but any amount over the guaranteed issue is subject to EOI. Child voluntary group term life insurance provides between $5,000 and $20,000 in coverage for dependent children up to the age of 26, and disabled children over the age of 26 who meet certain criteria with no evidence of insurability required. You may elect voluntary group term life insurance for your spouse and/or dependents, even if you do not wish to purchase additional coverage for yourself. If you and your spouse are both employed by Ohio State, you will be able to elect VGTLI spouse coverage for one another. If you share children, you may both cover your dependents under VGTLI child coverage. Major life events, also known as qualifying status changes, enable you to make changes to your life insurance elections. As a result of a qualified status change, you may elect the following changes without EOI. You may elect or increase employee VGTLI by one salary increment. Enroll or elect spouse VGTLI coverage to the guaranteed issue limit of $50,000. Elect any amount of child voluntary group term life insurance coverage. Please note elections must be made within 30 days from and including the date of the qualified status change. For more information, please visit our website at hr.osu.edu. If you have questions regarding your benefits, you can submit a ticket through the Submit a Request link on the HR Connection portal at hrconnection.osu.edu. Email hrconnection at hrconnection@osu.edu or call HR Connection at 614 247 6947.